Good morning, everyone. Today's group discussion topic is, will artificial intelligence replace software engineers?
Artificial intelligence is transforming industries rapidly. From automated coding tools to AI-powered testing systems, the question arises, are software engineers at risk?
I strongly believe AI can replace software engineers in many areas.
Firstly, AI tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can generate code within seconds.
Secondly, automation reduces the need for repetitive coding tasks. Companies prefer faster delivery and cost efficiency, and AI provides both. Therefore, in the future, basic programming roles may decline. I respectfully disagree. AI can assist engineers, but it cannot replace them completely. Software development requires problem-solving ability, business logic understanding, system architecture design, human creativity. AI depends on human instructions. It cannot think independently or innovate like humans. I believe AI will not replace software engineers, but it will change their roles. Engineers who upgrade their skills and learn AI tools will remain valuable. Just like calculators didn't replace mathematicians, AI will not replace engineers. It will enhance productivity. The future belongs to engineers who adapt. To conclude, artificial intelligence may automate repetitive coding tasks, but it cannot replace human intelligence, creativity, and strategic thinking. Instead of fearing AI, engineers should learn to work with it.
If you want to master tech group discussions and crack placements confidently, subscribe to TechSpeak Academy.